Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Dow gets what it actually wants. So this is the weekly chart of Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI, and as you can see, probably the market has been factoring in the last couple of days that Joe Biden is going to come, and probably that's what has already happened. And probably market has already factored in, but there are quite some things which one need to know and understand about that. So this is not about whether he is going to increase the tax or not. Probably he will, but it is not that something new is going to happen. So on one hand you will see that the taxes, if it is going to get higher, then obviously is going to get higher for the rich, first of all, and second of all, it's the old normal. It's nothing something new which is about to happen, but there is a difference. So when those things happened, the actual thing about that period was the interest rate was going up. Okay, now it is at its near lows, near its lows, and Fed has already indicated that it's not going to push it higher till 2023. Okay, first, second of all, you will see that probably the globalization will again opens up. So this is what has not happened. There are lots of, there are lots of posturing which has happened, which we felt that okay, there is something that which we need to look at, but data is not showing the same thing. And there are some places where it actually happens that economies closed down within themselves, and there are lots of things, and there are lots of trade tariffs policies that actually happened. So it hurts because when US moves, obviously it impacts the majority of the global trade, because it has been, most of the trade has been in dollars. So there is also a theory that Joe Biden will probably do what Democrats has done in the past. Okay, it's not going to be something which is closed economy. It's going to be something which is open in nature. So, in one hand, you can see the old normal. In another hand, you will see near zero policies. You will have fiscal stimulus, because that's what has happened after 2008, and probably when Barack Obama becomes the president of United States. And the same thing, because without stimulus it's not going to go up, that's for sure. And second thing, the kind of economy US has and the kind of people and the labor market it has is going to get older and older in the years to come. So obviously it would definitely needs both fiscal and monetary stimulus. So monetary stimulus are there, what is required is the fiscal stimulus. It's just a matter of time. Okay, it will just a matter of time, because nobody wants the common between both the parties are that nobody wants to the stock market to fall down beyond a certain level. If it happens, they, because they are so much dependent upon it, that directly or indirectly they will the stock market starts hitting the economy. That's not going to happen as per theory, but practically it will. So that's what gives the comfort to the stock market. Now, because we are looking at a weekly chart, so for the long term I have already made couple of videos, probably you can check. But for the weekly, what you can see, after all this probably 2-3 minutes of speech, you will see that there is a bit more left on the upside, and which was the previous high that the indices had made in the first in the earlier part of 2020, which the stock will probably see in the days as well as in the weeks to come probably. So that's what we are going to look at. So as you can see here, I think this will be enough for us to analyze, or if I just zoom this part a bit so that you will get a more clarity about the support and resistance. And one more thing, because we are looking at a weekly chart, it will take couple of days, couple of weeks, okay, for even the short term things to happen. Okay, so here we have, Okay, so if you can see, you will find that the first support for DJI is 27,503, below which you will have 26,758, followed by 26,172. Then you have 25,463, and probably for the time being we are taking this as our final level on the downside, 24,774. So these are all the support levels which one need to look at. But because the stock price, index prices started moving up, so obviously what we are going to see is a price action probably on the upper end of the range. So the next target, keeping your support at 27,500, your next target or resistance will be 29,235, and your final level for the time being will be 29,626 or 29,600. So we are not going to go above 29,600 and 626, because this was the level, or this was the high. This is the lifetime high that DJI has made, and from that level it has fallen down drastically. Okay, so first of all we need to look at this level, and if this level holds, if the price sustain above and makes a breakout above 29,600 or 29,700, and it will sustain above that, then we will call at a start, or probably the trend is going to go much higher from that level. For the time being, technically we are going to look at an uptrend which will be at or in between 29,200 and 29,600 on the upside. Okay, so that's what we are looking at, and once the breakout has happened, the swing is going to be much higher, okay, which most of the people are thinking right now. So this is the end of the video. Okay, but before that, one more thing. Even I have already talked about the long term targets for this indices, but if the things above 29,600, as you can see, this is something like a gramophone pattern. Okay, so let me just simply tell you, if it goes above 29,700 and sustain above that, then probably what you're going to look at will be a target of 31,000 on the upside. So this can also be a possibility. Okay, so there is no denial in the fact that this will happen. Then this will happen much faster than anybody thinks. It is not like it will happen in this cycle. I am saying it will happen much faster inside this cycle before anybody can think, and we are looking for a 2 or 3 years of bull run. So this is what is going to happen. Let the time decide whether who is wrong and who is right, because everybody has their own opinion and they have the right to become right or wrong. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.